I booked an individual session with Fatima because as a creative, I wanted to understand the color psychology theory and its practices and how I can use it in my work and in my personal life. It definitely changed my outlook on the effects of color and how a simple change or an understanding of the color and its energy, how it affects the overall look. I have to say, it was very interesting to me to see how the color changed my complexion while looking at it in the mirror. Sometimes we take that for granted if you like a specific color, but no, don't necessarily follow your shade, your personality shade. It really changes. It either dulls your skin or it gives you a glow. So that was the most interesting to me. I would definitely recommend it to corporations because I do believe it goes a long way in targeting the right consumer and also to create that happy feel and harmony within the environment. But also as a personal choice, it definitely helps you understand how to wear your favorite colors.